Hello everyone, welcome to our mini wellness vlog. Today we'll explore BMI, stress management and coping strategies. We are divided into 3 teams: BMI explorers, stress management strategy and coping strategy creators. Go!
BMI or body mass index tells if your weight is healthy for your height.
For example, height 1.65 meter, weight 60 kg, BMI equals 60 divided by open parenthesis 1.65 times 1.65 close parenthesis equals 22.04, which is normal weight.
A healthy BMI supports better energy, mood, and overall physical and mental health.
Our stress scenario is exam pressure.
Physical stress signs: headaches, fast heartbeats, and tiredness.
3 healthy techniques are deep breathing, time blocking, good sleep habits.
Positive coping helps stress, like talking to friends or relaxing exercise.
Negative coping includes avoiding tasks, overeating, or getting angry.
I can focus. The storm is stressing me out. Try breathing with us. Inhale, exhale. Feel calmer.
Positive coping helps you think clearly again.
And that's our short documentary.
Learn about BMI, stress sign and management.
And healthy coping strategies.
Thank you for watching!